Okay, what we need first is the acrylic nails. You can buy this at supermarkets or online. And then next thing is the nail glue. Right now I'm using the Nailin Super Glue. Dries within 3 seconds. Next is we want to make sure that our nails are clean. I've used alcohol pads to wipe each fingernail earlier. Now I'm choosing the right size of acrylic for each nails. We want to make sure that the acrylic fits our nails properly to avoid hurting, and also it will make it last longer. In case the acrylics are not the right size, I recommend to use a nail file instead of a nail clipper, because using the nail clipper, when you cut it, you can no longer go back. But if you're using a nail file, you can take your time to even the nails until it fits properly. Right now I'm choosing the plain color as my accent color instead of me putting plain and then print and then print and plain, like alternately, because I just want to have something like fun colors this time. It's up to you how you want to put the colors together. It depends on what you choose. I prefer this way. Sometimes I just put all plain, sometimes I put all print, so it's whatever is your preference. I like using this glue because it dries fast and then it lasts longer as well. For every set, it lasts me for about 2 weeks, and it depends on your activities. But for me, for my personal experience, this set always lasts me for about 2 weeks. Also, I always bring the glue with me just in case that a nail comes off. I'll just glue it again and you're good to go. For glue, there's a lot of options you can choose from. I just prefer this one, the Nailin 3-second nail glue, just because it's what from my experience, is the best out of all the glues that I've tried. And then you can buy these nails online. It only cost me around $1 or $2 for each set. There's a lot of options you can choose from if you go to groceries, like Walmart or Shoppers. You go somewhere like a drugstore. But they're more on an expensive side. It's like around $10 each box, but it has more nails, like 24 to 30 nails in each box, which will last you at least 3 uses. But I prefer buying this kinds because at least when I got sick of the design, then I'll just get a new one. For like extra nails, I would recommend to keep it, so that way you can reuse it and combine it with other excess nails that you have, and that way you'll have fun designs. So right now I'm about to be done with my nails, and it's gonna last me for at least 2 weeks again. So this is how it looks like right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.